Welcome to Reno, everybody. The El Dorado Hotel, they just informed me they don't provide room service or housekeeping here right now because of COVID-19. Go figure. It was optional down in Vegas, but it's no bueno here. Let's go check out the room. Okay, don't get all crazy. I don't got a suite or anything like that this time. But here it is. Still not bad, huh? Check that out. I know everybody. Oh, Rosie, you're not going to jump on the bed again, are you? Of course I'm not. Here's the room view, though. I should say the view of the room. Here it is. Good. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh yeah. Look at that. You actually got a separate bathroom, kind of apart from the makeup area in the sink here, which is kind of nice. Hello. Mirrors galore. But yeah, really nice, super clean. The place smells like Lysol. It's been so disinfected here. So what the heck? Here's a flaw in the program right here. Here we go. Let's make that right. There we go. I think that's pretty good. Nice big room. Comfy bed, I hope. Oh crap. I guess I don't rate a better view, but there's the National Bowling Stadium over there. Holy smokes, really? All right. Not the garden view for sure. Woo! Come on, you know I was gonna do it, right? Woo! Yeah, baby! Oh, comfort, comfort, comfort. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! Ah, I'm on top of the world, Mom! Look at me! Thanks for watching, guys.